Hello everybody, I am at the last jelly. I just finished up 6 peaches and I have 6 more I'm getting ready to put in the water bath canner, and I'm done making jelly for a minute. If you like to support my jelly, you can always hit me up in the comments or join my Facebook group page for Love Ladies Garden Projects and more. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. Okay guys, a quick update. We have 1 bean, 2 beans, we have 3 beans. They're budding, they're starting to do a little something. Well, I did a little watering, okay. This one here I didn't do as much. I might go get another jug and finish making sure this whole thing is covered. But guys, look at my cucumbers. They're starting to do really well so far, and we're just gonna see what happens. I did fully soak this bed right here. That's probably all I'm gonna give it today. If everything goes right, as you've seen the forecast, we're gonna see how this rain thing works for us. Hopefully it works pretty good. Yeah, don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm sorry for having you on the ground. What I can say is that I feel like we are gonna get some rain, which is a good thing. How much? I don't know. So we're gonna just let that be whatever it is, and go from there. If everything plays out right, Lovelady's not gonna have to do no watering all week. So if you know me, that's what I'm aiming for. And I'm just checking this plant a little bit more to make sure I'm not overlooking any little potential cucumbers. I'm gonna go ahead and I've been cutting this little thing, child. This thing is knitting this on my nerve. This thing here is budding up so much. I'm gonna let this fall, but I'm gonna get this banana pepper off of here. No, I'm gonna leave him on now, as well as this one. I got more coming, so we'll see how they go. And I can tell you, well, I just watered the corn. I really hope that they start bouncing back better. I mean, they don't look terrible, but they're not as fluffy and green like they was. So yeah, I'm gonna let the rain hit them tomorrow and see if that kind of give them a boost. But I might put I might fertilize. I don't want to. I just fertilize them. So I'm not gonna fertilize them. I might put some coffee grounds in there just to make sure they're getting all the nutrients they need, because that'll be a disappointment. This bed here, like I said, we know that one is doing pretty good, and yeah. So we'll see. We're just keeping our eyes open on stuff and see how things will change. As it cool off, you'll probably see me out here a little more, because I can take the heat a lot better. So I'm gonna let the rain do the rest, and hopefully the next time you see me actually in the garden, I did actually water this bed today. You actually see me do some harvesting something, because what I do know is that my greens normally they take off really good on a good rain, and I do trim them off. I don't always wait till they get super big, but I'm gonna try to focus only on one bed when I'm doing some harvest. I know I'm gonna get some of these greens out of here and out of this bed, which those are the only ones that's gonna be harvestable. But anyway, guys, I'm hoping that by the end of the week I have something to show you. So just stay tuned. I know you haven't seen me do a lot of harvest videos, but my intention was for the summer not to even be growing anything other than probably what was left. So you always see me plant, harvest. I have all of these watered. I need to water this orange one a little better, but it's nothing technically in here. I think I did put like some onions in there, but I know it's gonna take forever for them to even start popping up, which is okay. I don't expect anything from them anytime soon, but I just wanted to go ahead and give them a home. My asparagus, I know it's probably time for me to put it in a bigger pot, so that's something I'm gonna focus on at the end of the week, on a less chance of rain day or a lower chance of rain day, in order for it to do something. These here, I'm not sure. I'm probably going to put the stuff that's on the inside in these. Again, that's where I have stuff growing in different kind of containers, just to see how things are going to go. Don't quote me on that. So yes, Love Lady have a lot of planning to do on her buckets, where she's going to put everything as far as that without it being cluttered. But I think this first go around, I'm going to probably put some of the fall stuff in there. Not probably every one of them, but I'm going to put probably most of the fall stuff in there, because I don't want to pull out those big pools again. I want to do away with them. I don't even remember seeing them out there, so my husband probably already got rid of them, hopefully. But now it's really finna get down to what's next as far as what I'm going to plant in the garden. It'll give me a little bit more time on the weekends when it cool off to really get out there and organize things better. I'm not going to move anything out of the beds that's already in their beds. All I'm going to do is fill them in. So I'm going to see what's coming up, what's strong. And then, I mean, right now I'm really planning it by ear for us, where I'm going to put the other stuff. Because remember, I still have to take Lele some, Chica-Lele, her stuff. So I really don't have much that I need to plant that's in the house. It's just maybe a few things that I can put outside. So I still have room to put stuff out, and I still have a few more plants that I can put things out. So the when I give Chica-Lele her stuff, then it just lower what I need to actually plant that I've already started. Anything else that I start, pretty much I'm gonna probably start by seed, depending on what it is, of course. And yeah, so it should be cooling off enough for me to start getting busy with just really being able to focus on the weekend or after work on good days, cooler days, is to get out there and just really organize my stuff. And depending on how much rain saturation we get, it may help my little borders go down more in the ground so I can start working on my pathway. I still have projects to do, but I'm really trying to make sure that I prioritize, I stay safe myself, because it's been hot and I really didn't expect to get caught that deep in the summer with building projects. But since I did take a break from extreme building, now it's kind of like more of a tidy up, organize things, make sure it's comfortable for me to walk out there without it interrupting, you know, being able to out the weed eat while the grass is still growing. Just me being safe for myself, like not killing myself because I'm scared of a bug or something. But I think that it'll start turning around hopefully for me. This should be getting into our little bit more rain season, hopefully. And what else? Work is going good. I finished all the jam, the jelly. Tomorrow I will be kind of going over, actually I might do some of it tonight, accounting, making sure I have everything. I got everybody's names that wanted jelly. I didn't want to just bring jelly and they didn't want it, of course. So yes, I'm going to make sure that I have enough for each employee that wanted jelly. Some actually ordered additional jelly, which surprised me, so I'm very thankful and grateful for that. And yeah, so by Friday I should have all the jelly ready to hand out. So I'm just waiting on a few things to come in to finalize packaging them up, making sure they're presentable. So once I get that out the way, then I should be able to hand it off to them on Friday. So certain things will be coming in a little bit by little bit, and it is what it is. So they really don't care if it's fancied up, but because it's a product that represents me, something I did, I put my heart in, I really want to make sure that I give it to them in a good way, that it's very presentable, and they can say, hey, I really like how she did this, you know, hey, maybe they want to support my projects. I don't know. But anyway, guys, you know, you guys like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell so you can always know when Lovelady is putting out a new video. And I'm going to try to keep up, if as possible, on my videos, because once school started, you know, it's going to be, hopefully it's not too hectic, but we'll see how it goes. And especially when daylight saving time change, Lovelady going to have to be in and out that garden. I'm not going to be out there in the dark. I don't care how many solar lights I have. But yeah, have a good day, guys.